Oh, hello and welcome. Another North Wales side-by-side video. And again, I'm with the JIMNY tonight. Another little tidying up job. Refurbishing the wiper blades. I've done the two front ones and fitted new wiper blades. And I've just started on the rear one. I've just rubbed it back down to bare metal, primed it, and I've just given it a coat of gloss black. So that's its first coat. It's little things like this that make a difference to cars. I think so. When you see rusty wiper blades, rusty wiper arms, and they always corrode where they bolt on, it just spoils the car. So it's only, a bit of time. Take them off, lube all the splines up so they don't stick to the splines next time you want to remove them, rub them down, couple of coats of paint, put a new blade on, put it back on the car. They look so much better. Anyway, thank you again for watching another North Wales side-by-side video. Please consider clicking like. Please consider subscribing. Thank you.